course, I'm dealing with the artificial intelligence question. When they came out with the email about artificial intelligence is verboten. You can't do it. You can't do artificial. You can't create content for Amazon with AI, and that's on your Facebook channel, on your Instagram channel, on your TikTok channel. You can't create AI content and drive traffic to Amazon, right? That's what they're saying. Okay, so everybody's freaking out. AI is like the next best thing. How are we going to utilize AI? If we're not careful, it's going to be like it's like a $400 trillion industry. It's gonna take over, right? It's going to take over. It's going to be replacing 30 million jobs in this country in the next couple of years. At least that's what I'm reading. But how can we utilize it for an Amazon influencer if we can't use it to create content, right? Well, I got contacted by these guys, Alex, okay, Alex AI, and it's in beta. They're putting it together. I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna share the page with you. Okay, there's no affiliate link. Okay, so just hang out a few minutes, and I'm gonna reveal it to you. You can go there with no affiliate link, no nothing. You can just go and sign up and be part of the beta. And I'm waiting for them to send me an affiliate link. But since you guys have been hanging around with me, I'll reveal. I will reveal the AI tool that I'm using. And it's an AI tool because it's based on your analytics. It's setting you up with what you're selling, what they're going to say, what you're geared to sell the most. Like, okay, you might not even know it, but you sell a lot of this or that, right? You sell a lot of widgets. Let's say, who cares what it is? But so you didn't think that you were a widget salesman, right? You want to be a TV salesman, okay? But the analytics are saying you sell garbage cans, right? So every time you put out a video for garbage cans, it sells crazy, right? And you keep trying to make TV videos. Well, this AI is going to tell you, stop it, you idiot. Start making garbage can videos, right? It's going to tell you what your niche is, what you're going to be, and it's also going to set you up with what products to do videos on. This is going to be a good product for you to do, and you're going to be able to search how many videos are on that product. Matter of fact, they're going to serve it to you in order, and you can have it where they have one video in the carousel and it's all gravy. And the other thing they're working on, it's not ready yet, but they're working on it based on the feedback they've gotten from me and from Bill, using the AI to match us to brands. Their vision is to not charge the influencer any money for this tool. Their vision is to charge the brands to be a member of the tool, right? And as a member of the tool, they're going to be matched with quality influencers to do videos for their products based on AI. So they're going to be served up quality content creators based on AI that's already proven in whatever niche it is to be successful for that brand or seller or agent. Okay, pretty crazy AI stuff. So you can't use AI to make content, right? But you can use AI to find what's going on and to find the best deals. Okay, and I'm still trying to figure out. We're talking about. I want to know what they're doing when they're scraping Amazon. If they're scraping Amazon, what they're exposing my account to. That's all important stuff. Accounts get shut down because of bad players, bad actors, and all the time. And if you're not careful what tool you're using and you're associating with the wrong thing, you can get shut down. So I'm in another meeting this week, being sure what. I mean, they've already told me everything is up and up, and they're not doing anything against terms of service. Okay, but there's really no way for me to know if they're telling me the truth. I'm just taking them at their word, which is pretty scary. But let's go and share the screen since you've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, so this is Alex, CoPilot for Amazon influencers. Okay, it's going to give you daily picks up here that are going to be matched to you based on when you sign up. You're going to give it analytics about you. And it's going to have stuff based on what, and it's going to have a little slider here, and you go and check these out. And it's got, I'll show you. So this thing here is the LED light, it says, right? So it says to view it. It's going to give you all the information. You can add it to a watch list to watch it later. It's going to give you the Amazon ranking here and where it goes over the past few days, if it's fluctuating. Going to tell you that this has 4 empty slots. Okay, so you can make a video on rank right here, giving you the price, giving you the listing. Okay, it's number 1,000, which is still pretty damn good. Believe it. Gives you the ASN, gives you all kinds of stuff. All right. that's telling you it's a great tool. Now it's also we can search, we can set up filters for this. You can search bestsellers, new releases, movers and shakers. Now, and then you can go to departments. I've got all these departments that these are automatically checked for me every time because that's the way when I signed up, I checked all of these. But you can uncheck them and check whatever you want, right? And you can show the top 100 products, and it's going to give you the products. It's going to tell you how many were sold last month. It's ranking number 30, and it's pretty good. It's wireless CarPlay adapter. I've done about 3 videos on these different things. They're pretty popular. One influencer video in the carousel. It's got 5 stars. Great product, and we can view it like I just did. 4 empty slots. Okay, now it's on the uptick here. So that's probably a good thing to do right there. So you can add it to your watch list and watch it later. I don't want to click into my watch list because I don't want to reveal what I'm watching. I'm giving you enough information here, I think, already. Pretty good tool, and you can use it a lot of different ways to find products. And like I said, they're getting into the brand deal part of it because we're talking about it. Amazon is a great partner. I said at the beginning, they're a great partner to have, but they're quick to anger. They're quick to anger, and they can change their mind at any time. You know, they could take the program away tomorrow. They can decide to change the program. They can try to throttle everybody back. You know, a lot of people are making a third what they were making last year at this time, right? A lot of people are making a lot less. People are making the same, but a lot of people are making a lot less. Amazon, it can't be the only guy in town. It can't be the only egg in the basket. It's coming up on Easter, right? So you hedge your bets by sticking into the Amazon program, and you've already got this skill making an Amazon video, right? You've already got this skill making an Amazon video. You should be using that skill making videos for brands, agents, and sellers, right? And of course, you probably are doing it. They reach out to you right away. By the time you've got a couple of videos up, they're reaching out to you. They want to send you free stuff. Stop accepting free stuff. Free stuff is going to ruin your account because none of that stuff is going to sell. You're going to have a bunch of free stuff in your account on your storefront, and none of it's going to sell. All right, you're going to have no sales from these things because they're going to have 50 sales a month at most. A lot of these things. That's why they're giving away for free. You want to get stuff that you're going to, if that's the case, you want to get paid up front. So you're going to get, I'm going to say $100. You're not going to get $100, but you can start at $100 and negotiate, right? I'm not going to tell you what I get, but I get all different from different people. I've been doing it for 3 years. Some people from 3 years ago, I'm doing it for $20. Some people, I'm doing it now and I'm real busy and they want it done. It's at this price, a premium price, right? And I don't want to tell you where I'm at because it's not fair. But Alex is going to be hooking us up. I didn't want to make hooking us up like it was but getting us matched with brands and agents to work with. And okay, wouldn't it be great? Because one of my pet peeves was when they asked me the question, is like, you know what I really hate is having to fight with other influencers. Okay, and I'm interested. I PM you, I DM you. I'm an influencer. I'd love to do a video for you, and you're fighting with all these other people. And you know what? You don't even know what they're looking for, right? They're looking for a 12-year-old girl with pigtails, right? And you're wasting your time trying to go back and forth with the seller, right? Or they're looking for an older person or a younger person or a female or a male, and you're the opposite, right? But meanwhile, you're wasting your time trying to get this product, and they have no interest in you. They're not even answering you back, or if they're answering you back, they're just wasting your time. Wouldn't it be great to only get stuff that you're qualified to do, that the seller wants you to do? Like they want your type. You're the type. That's what they want. They want the dad type to do the garage video with the power tools, right? They want the mom type to do the spin brush that cleans the toilet. They want you know what I'm saying? All right. So wouldn't it be great not to have to fight with each other in Facebook groups, trying to jump on things like scraps of meat, like lions on scraps of meat? That's what really annoyed me the most about the whole thing. And they was like, that's great. We're going to use Alex to fix that problem for you. We're gonna use it to figure out what brands want and match them with influencers. This is great. And I think it's going to be a great thing. I think it's going to be an awesome thing. They're not charging any money for the tool. Like I said, their goal is to keep it free to influencers. Okay. They want to charge the brands for the premium of being matched with the proper influencers. Can you imagine the marriage here? the brands and the agents and the sellers, this is what they're looking for. They want this. They want to stop wasting their time negotiating with people. Now, not only that, but Alex will have your rates in there too. So they'll be able to tell, okay, my videos are from 50 to $100 and they're 1 to 3 minutes. Uh, you can even put your link in there, I'm assuming, and they can check you out, vet you before they work with you. Okay. It's going to be a great tool to use for the Amazon Influencer Program. Um, so what do you think? What do you think, Alex? Um, because I'm going to be meeting with them this week, and I'd like to get some feedback. So if you guys do sign up and use it, and the other thing too is I did buy last week 2 products. They came yesterday. They actually came Friday. I made videos for them yesterday and uploaded them. They'll probably be live today or tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be able to report by Thursday if they're starting to get sales, if they ranked on the carousels or not, and based on what Alex told me to do, based on that, when I did the search, and I think I have a video up of me doing the search and picking the products. No, I don't. No, because I didn't want to give the products away before I did the test, but I will give it away at the end. So stay tuned for that. And that's Alex. Alex is going to be a blast. You're going to love it. You're going to love Alex.